Hello and welcome to Rajshri Food. Today we're making mushroom bao. Let's see how to make them. So we're going to start by making the dough of the bao. Let's begin with some warm milk, a little bit of warm oil, pinch of salt to taste. We're adding this to the warm milk so that it melts. Just a little bit of sugar, around half a teaspoon. Next we're adding in all-purpose flour and a small pinch of baking soda. You can also use baking powder instead. I'm going to use a spatula to just bring the dough together. I'm going to switch over to my hands and start kneading the dough. It's so easy to knead any kind of dough on the counter, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. You'll have to knead the dough until it becomes nice and smooth. This should take around 7 to 8 minutes. This dough is actually really tough, so if you need to add a few drops of water, do that. You will need to knead it for 7 to 8 minutes and the dough should be super smooth from the top when you try to make a ball out of it. Now we're going to rest this for up to 30 minutes. Let's make the filling for our bao now. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of oil. To this now I'm going to add some green chilies. I'm making mushroom chili and I'm using green chilies here today, but you can also use red chilies if you like. Now to this I'm going to add some chopped ginger and some sliced garlic. Once the mixture turns aromatic, add in your sliced mushrooms. And now we're going to cook this on high flame. Once the mushrooms start to soften naturally, I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Next, I'm going to add in some onion cubes and some capsicum. Once the onions soften a little, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, this is dark soy sauce, and around 1 tablespoon of mushroom sauce, little bit of salt, and we'll let the sauce evaporate and coat all the veggies properly. Mushroom sauce is a very umami flavor, but in case you can't find it or you don't want to consume it, you can also use any other stir-fry sauce of your choice. Once the sauce has evaporated, turn off the flame and add in some fresh spring onion greens. It's been 30 minutes and our dough is well rested. Now we're going to shape it into baos. I'm just taking it out on the surface and I'm going to cut this into 4 equal portions. Just use a sharp knife to do the same. Now I'm just going to fold in the softer side inside. Apply a little bit of oil on the surface. And now we're going to roll it into an oval shape. Now we're going to close this and form a semicircular shape. And we're going to steam it later. I'm going to do the exact same thing with the other portions as well. I have a steamer going on right here. I've kept some water for boiling and it seems like it's ready. Now it's time to steam our buns. Just directly going to place it. And we're going to steam this for 12 to 15 minutes till they're nice and fluffy. If you add a pinch of yeast in the dough as well, it becomes super duper fluffy and soft. But we've tried to make it without yeast today. Let's check on the baos. They've changed their color. From being white and opaque, they've become a little translucent and they're completely done now. We can take them out directly onto a plate. Use a knife to loosen it up if required. And now it's time to fill them with our mushroom chili mixture. If you're bored of eating the same old starters, try out these mushroom baos. I'm sure you're going to love it. This is Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.